Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got a fun one for you. Today we're going to be talking with you a little bit about our history with HIVEOS and what some of our current projects that we've been working on using HIVEOS. Full discrepancy here. This is going to be entered into the video with HIVEOS and their blog for our chance to win $1,000. In the description down below there's going to be links to everything so you guys can kind of do your own research as well. Definitely if you guys have any way to submit an entry into this contest, I highly recommend it. Hoping to, like I said, just kind of get a little bit more word out about us. But we've used HIVEOS a lot in the past, not just for this blog submission. So that's what we're going to talk with you guys a little bit here about is HIVEOS. Like we said, as always, in the description down below there's going to be links so you guys can do your own research. A lot of cool features that HIVEOS does have. I did first really learn about HIVEOS over from Seth Estrada, Mind Your Biz. In the description down below you'll be able to find a link over at his channel. He's got a lot of good videos, a lot of good content out with HIVEOS. But we switched our farm from SMOS to HIVEOS quite early on. We've been running HIVEOS for quite some time now. But like I said, this video in particular is for the HIVEOS blog and is our entry for our chance to win $1,000, and we're sharing with you guys our journey here with HIVEOS. So as you guys know, we are a cryptocurrency mining based channel focusing on a lot of different things: pool testings, miner program testings, overclock setting testings, how-to, solo mining, lots of different things. But we're going to be breaking down to you our journey with HIVEOS. So let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
So one of our earliest videos that we did start showing a lot to do with HIVEOS was our Mining OS Guide 2020, and we did feature SMOS, HIVEOS, Hashrate OS, which has closed down now, Awesome Miner, as well as CUDA Miner. Now I know there was a lot of other miner programs that we missed, but that was one of the first times that we featured HIVEOS in a video. We showed you a couple different things there, a couple other videos that we're going to talk with you about as well. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscription bell in the upper right hand corner. That way you're going to be able to see some of our latest and greatest with HIVEOS. Also, if you guys like these kinds of videos, give us a thumbs up. That way other people can see them. Comment down below, let us know what you like or didn't like about these videos. Another thing that we've used HIVEOS for is we do have some RTX 3080s. That's right, we do have a couple NVIDIA FE RTX 3080s as well as a Zotac Trinity, that RTX 3080. A live stream, we showed you a bunk or a bad RTX 3080 as far as not being able to handle power. We broke that live using HIVEOS, but you can see here we've got a couple different rigs going, but currently we do have that NVIDIA FE, our good one, as well as our Zotac Trinity hammering away on HIVEOS. We're doing some solo mining on Ethereum. Those block rewards are pretty sick right now. Definitely, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscription bell in the upper right hand corner. That way you can keep up with some of our latest and greatest. But today we're talking with you about HIVEOS and kind of our history here with it. Here you can see we had our NVIDIA FE hammering away, and thanks to Dunn over in the Brandon Coin Discord, Dunn122Mini2, really appreciate all your help. He helped us get this thing dialed in as far as hashing at over 100 mega hash per second at 230 watts. We're using HIVEOS there. Another video we did use HIVEOS for, and we've used HIVEOS to show you how to solo mine many things. And as always, solo mining is not recommended. In the upper right hand corner we're going to have links to some of these videos so you guys can check them out for yourself as well. But we showed you how to solo mine ZCOIN using HIVEOS. And once again, we do have currently a couple RTX 3080s. We're getting 195.6 mega hash per second with 2 GPUs. That's right, that's 2 good RTX 3080s, and we're using HIVEOS to control those. And here you can see that we've got 99.33 mega hash per second on the NVIDIA FE, and this is running pretty darn stable, as well as 96.23 mega hash per second on that Zotac Trinity. And that's live stats using HIVEOS. Here you can see when you go to our channel, and like I said, if you're new to the channel, you better check out a bunch of these videos we've got. You can see our Mining OS Guide featured HIVEOS. Also, our solo mining guide, once again, which is not recommended, featured HIVEOS. Both of those videos do have over 2,000 plus views, so if you haven't checked those out, you better definitely check them out. Had lots of different things with HIVEOS, like we talked about earlier. We showed you how to solo mine ZCOIN with HIVEOS. We've hit some solo ZCOIN blocks with HIVEOS. We also showed you that we found solo XMR blocks with HIVEOS. Like I said, a lot of different content. We've been using HIVEOS for quite some time. It's a miner program that we use pretty well, with using HIVEOS on their pool, specifically HiveOn. We'll get about that here in a little bit. You do get some free mining if you're using one rig or more. Under one rig is free. Any more than that, there's going to be charges there, and those charges are going to be varies. Those are part of the gas that we talked with you about. We've also showed you how to solo mine Ethereum Classic with HIVEOS. Done all sorts of different testing with HIVEOS on those RTX 3080s. And those are breaking news to you guys. So once again, we've been breaking down with you guys HIVEOS and how we've kind of been using it. We did also show you how to use HIVEOS to solo mine Ethereum Classic. And once again, solo mining is not recommended. But once again, guys, if you like this kind of stuff, in the upper right hand corner, hit that subscription bell if you're new to the channel. Make sure you give us that thumbs up and comment down below. Tell us why you like this stuff. Spread the words on this, guys. We are full-time on our own, having fun doing this. You're going to see a lot of great content like this. But we've been breaking with you down our history with HIVEOS and kind of some of the different things that we've used. As you can see, we've done a lot of different things with HIVEOS. And as we talked about, HiveOn, their mining pool, if you're using it with their miner, HIVEOS, there is no fees for however many miners that you want. Once again, we've definitely almost mined 0.5 Ethereum just with this one address. We do all sorts of different pool testings and those types of things, so I'm not going to break down with you all of those addresses, but it's pretty nice. You get to 0.1 Ethereum, that's their minimum payout. Slides it right over. It's pretty sweet. So we're showing you guys HIVEOS and all the different things that we've got. I currently don't have any ASIC that are able to use HiveOn ASIC, but they do have their own firmware that does let you get a little bit better life out of those. Definitely have some different models there. As always, guys, do your own research in the description down below. I'll have links to all of this stuff so you can check it out. Today, though, this entry here is for HIVEOS, their blog, for our chance to win $1,000. And like I said, guys, this is our sharing our story here, showing you guys what we've done with HIVEOS. We really enjoy it. In the description down below, there's going to be links for you guys to enter your own videos into this contest. Please do comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And once again, you don't have to actually be on camera. They've got an extra $200 just for someone that's not on camera. So that's what we've been talking with you guys about. And as always, guys, we're doing full discretion with everything with our channel. We've been showing you HIVEOS. We've used it way more than just for a video like this. We currently will continue to use it. As we said, we've got our RTX 3080s hammering away right now. We're getting almost 99 plus megahash per second from one RTX 3080, and then another one, our Zotac Trinity, is getting 96.23. In the upper right hand corner, we've had links to all of this stuff. Full transparency, this has been a video for the HIVEOS blog. So if you guys like this stuff, make sure you hit that subscription bell, give us that thumbs up, comment down below. Another way you can do is in the description down below. You can follow us over on Twitter. That's another place where we saw this. There's all sorts of different places that we've seen HIVEOS before, and we've been using them quite frequently. In the description down below, you can follow us over on Twitter. Like I said, you better check us out over on our Not Your Normal Miner, over on our YouTube channel. All sorts of fun videos there. Lots of other videos that we didn't even get to show you guys, but using HIVEOS, lots of fun there. Like I said, you can follow us over on Twitter. That's a good place to keep up with our latest and greatest shenanigans. Also, if you want to support our channel, because anyone who's been following our channel knows we are not monetized, will not be monetized. We do not use affiliate links. In the description down below, you can follow us over at Not Your Normal Miner Discord. You guys can pick up these HODL Bitcoin license plates. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can check out some of this Not Your Normal Miner swag over on teespring.com, and that is Not Your Normal Miner's hash merch market. Also, if you felt that this video was great, or you just wanted to flip us a little bit of your favorite coins, you can do that over on the link with coinrequest.io. We really appreciate all of your guys' support. If there's something that you don't see on there, make sure you let us know. But we've been talking with you a little bit about HIVEOS, their mining platform, everything that we've been able to do with them. We've been doing a lot with them as far as mining, testing, solo mining, showing you guys how-to videos, all sorts of great stuff. But this is wrapping up our video for their contest, the HIVEOS blog, for our chance to win $1,000. We've been talking with you all sorts of fun stuff with us using HIVEOS. My name is Wes, not your normal miner. Thank you.